Hello and welcome to another Excel tutorial. In this video, we will unlock the power of conditional formatting, an amazing feature that allows you to highlight key data points automatically. Here is a simple data set we will use for this tutorial. It contains sales data for a team of employees. Let's see how we can use conditional formatting to highlight key insights. First, let's highlight employees who achieved sales greater than 6,000. So, select the sales column, go to the home tab and select conditional formatting here and click highlight cell rules and select greater than. Here, type 6,000 and select the whichever color you want. I'm selecting green fill with dark green text and select OK. Cells with sales above 6,000 are highlighted in the green. Li sales 7,000 which is highlighted and Charlie 8,000 which is highlighted. Conditional formatting can also be used for text values. Let's highlight employee values based on their status. So select the status column and go to the conditional formatting. Choose select highlight cell rules and choose text that contains and type needs improvement and highlight with red color red and click OK. Yeah. The status with need improvement is highlighted. Another great feature of conditional formatting is data bars, which visually represent the values in the range. So select the sales column, go to the conditional formatting, and select data bars. Pick gradient or gradient blue or green, whichever you want. I'm selecting gradient blue. So the data bars are added to the sales column. Now you can quickly compare sales figure at a glance.